My video will now help you to remove the ransomware that is called Cephalus. Cephalus is a new ransomware attacking Windows computers. Before the ransomware's attack, you're definitely able to open all of your files, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular Cephalus ransomware may be very easily injected into this computer. So very soon, as a consequence of the ransomware's attack, it is impossible to open the files. The ransomware actually appends this SSS extension to the file names. The ransomware also reveals the ransom note titled as recover.txt, where it tells the victims to pay a special ransom. But paying the ransom, of course, is not a good idea. Don't waste your money. Don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this nasty ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus application. I recommend you to use a special software for this purpose, which is called Combo Cleaner. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official site, which is combocleaner.com. You will see a special green download button. Download the software, install the program, and then start carefully researching your computer. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will definitely help you to detect and then effectively eliminate all other threats which could possibly still stealthily remain on your computer. So use Combo Cleaner to get your system fully fixed and repaired, and also protected from all other possible further ransomware attacks. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.